These trees are responsibly harvested to produce strong cellulose fibers for diaper cores.
Logs are prepared for pulp extraction in the mill.
Chips are cooked and cleaned to produce the core fibers of Pampers diapers.
The moisture levels are fluctuating on the left side.
I see it. Adjusting the dryer temperature now.
Oil and gas provide the base for plastics and super-absorbent polymers in Pampers diapers.
Polymers are created for the diaper's absorbent core, top sheet, and back sheet.
SAP granules will lock in moisture to keep babies dry.
The temperature on line 3 is fluctuating slightly above the set point. I've adjusted the feed rate.
Back sheets ensure leak protection while allowing airflow.
Adhesives are baby-safe and used to bind all layers together. Each material batch is traceable and shipped globally. All materials arrive ready for the Pampers diaper production line. Proper storage ensures quality before production.
Check the uniformity on the left edge again.
It's within tolerance, well within the specs.
All right, approved.
Elastic and fasteners are tracked before production.
Every batch undergoes testing to guarantee quality.
The tensile strength is exactly what we needed for the absorbent core. Yes, the data confirms it. We can proceed.
Absorbent polymer must lock in liquids quickly for baby comfort. Soft and breathable top sheet protects baby's delicate skin.
Back sheet must prevent leaks under real conditions. Elastic must provide a snug fit without discomfort.
Once verified, all materials proceed to the production line for assembly.
Automation ensures continuous and efficient diaper manufacturing. Materials are ready to flow seamlessly into the assembly line. Skilled operators maintain perfect coordination of machines and materials.
The Pampers production line is fully operational and ready to produce diapers.
Fluff pulp is shredded into fine fibers, forming the base of the absorbent core. Evenly shredded fibers ensure uniform absorbent cores.
Air-laid fibers create the base layer of the diaper core.
super-absorbent polymer ensures ultimate liquid retention.
Sensors maintain perfect absorbent distribution across cores. The absorbent core is compressed for consistent thickness and performance. Automatic checks maintain consistent core weight and thickness.
Edges are secured to prevent leakage and maintain structure.
Absorbent cores are prepared for precise cutting.
Precision cutting ensures every Pampers diaper meets size specifications. Automatic checks guarantee consistent diaper performance.
Sealing ensures Pampers diaper cores maintain shape and reliability during handling.
Recycling stray fibers keeps Pampers diaper cores uniform and reduces waste.
Continuous core sheets keep Pampers diaper production efficient and precise. Precision cutting ensures each Pampers diaper has consistent absorbent core size. Smooth edges prepare Pampers diaper cores for accurate assembly in the next stage.
Weight checks ensure Pampers diapers have consistent absorption performance.
Each Pampers diaper core is tested to absorb moisture instantly and efficiently. Only Pampers diaper cores that meet strict standards advance to assembly.
Pampers maintains sustainability by recycling excess fibers during core production.
Clean machinery ensures Pampers diaper cores are free from contamination.
That adjustment worked perfectly. Look at the uniformity now.
Yes, the fiber distribution is optimal. The absorption rate should be excellent.
Traceable records ensure quality and accountability for Pampers diaper cores.
Accurate synchronization is critical for perfect Pampers diaper assembly.
Steady line speed ensures Pampers diaper cores move seamlessly to the next production stage. Advanced sound control keeps the environment safe for factory personnel.
Precision alignment prevents misfeeds during the next manufacturing stage. The Pampers production line runs at peak efficiency for maximum output.
Redundant systems ensure continuous Pampers diaper manufacturing. The absorbent core is now ready for bonding with protective sheets.
The soft top sheet ensures gentle contact for baby's skin.
Automated tension control guarantees perfect top sheet positioning. The breathable back sheet prevents leaks while allowing airflow. Robotic precision ensures each Pampers diaper meets strict quality standards. Adhesive bonds all layers securely without affecting softness. Lamination ensures structural integrity of each Pampers diaper. The back sheet completes the protective barrier of each diaper.
Pressure lamination guarantees uniform diapers with no loose fibers or separation.
Airflow zones help keep baby's skin dry and comfortable. Edge sealing ensures every Pampers diaper reliably contains liquids. The continuous diaper web ensures consistent production flow.
Vision systems ensure perfect alignment for every diaper.
This batch seems to have alignment issues. Look here.
Lotion application provides extra comfort and protection for baby's skin.
Smart dosage control guarantees consistent application across all Pampers diapers. Balanced tension ensures perfect alignment for subsequent processes.
Heat stabilization ensures long-lasting strength and durability of Pampers diapers. Automated inspection guarantees quality compliance before cutting and elastic installation. High standards ensure only perfect Pampers diapers proceed to final assembly.
The diversion rate is holding steady at 98%. Confirmed. Logging the cycle now.
Precise adhesive temperature ensures secure layer bonding without affecting softness. The consistent thickness guarantees the comfort and absorbency Pampers diapers are known for. Smooth operations protect workers and maintain precision during high-speed production. Human oversight ensures no defects are missed. Real-time monitoring ensures consistent, high-quality Pampers diaper output. Synchronized cutting ensures uniform diaper size and shape.
Precision heat and cutting protect diaper structure.
Accurate positioning ensures elastic fits correctly on every diaper.
Elastic threads provide stretchable, leak-proof leg cuffs.
Elastic leg cuffs ensure comfort and leak protection for babies.
Waistband elastics provide secure fit while allowing freedom of movement.
Automatic tab placement ensures consistent fit and ease of use.
Perfect tension ensures the diaper fits snugly without causing discomfort.
Die cutting guarantees uniform Pampers diaper size and shape. Well-formed side wings enhance diaper fit and leak protection. Branding ensures every Pampers diaper is easily recognizable by parents.
Separation prepares each Pampers diaper for quality control and packaging.
Consistent diaper weight ensures absorbency and quality.
Testing ensures Pampers diapers quickly absorb liquids to keep babies dry. Leak testing guarantees every Pampers diaper prevents accidental leaks.
Elastic recovery ensures comfort and fit for every baby wearing Pampers.
Visual inspection maintains Pampers' high-quality standards.
Automated rejection ensures only high-quality Pampers reach customers.
High-speed conveyor ensures continuous production flow.
Human verification ensures zero defects in Pampers diapers.
Automatic correction maintains Pampers' consistent quality standards. Recycling ensures efficient use of raw materials and sustainability.
High-speed operation allows millions of Pampers diapers to be produced efficiently.
Strict hygiene ensures Pampers diapers are safe for baby skin. Compact folding prepares Pampers diapers for counting and packing.
Automated counting guarantees the correct number of Pampers diapers per pack.
Proper alignment ensures efficient packaging and prevents jams.
Packaging preparation ensures smooth, uninterrupted packing of Pampers diapers.
Careful packing preserves shape and quality of every Pampers diaper.
Compact stacking ensures every Pampers diaper pack is neat and consistent. Automated counting guarantees precise pack sizes for Pampers diapers.
Precise alignment prevents damage and maintains product quality.
Heat-sealed packs keep Pampers diapers hygienic and ready for shipping.
Batch coding ensures traceability for every Pampers diaper pack.
Weighing guarantees Pampers diapers are packed accurately and safely.
Cartoning protects Pampers diapers during transport and storage.
Sealed cartons protect Pampers diapers until they reach retailers. Efficient palletizing streamlines Pampers diaper distribution.
Warehouse storage maintains Pampers diaper quality until shipment.
Inventory control ensures Pampers diapers reach stores efficiently. Timely delivery ensures Pampers diapers reach parents when needed. Global distribution brings Pampers diapers to retailers worldwide.
Efficient handling ensures Pampers diapers reach stores quickly.
Retail placement ensures Pampers diapers are easy to find for parents.
Parents choose Pampers diapers for trusted comfort and protection.
Convenient packaging makes Pampers diapers easy to use.
Soft, comfortable diapers ready to protect your baby.
Pampers diapers provide a snug fit for comfort and leak protection.
Elastic fit allows Pampers diapers to adapt to every movement. Rapid absorption keeps baby dry and comfortable. Super-absorbent core provides reliable dryness throughout use. Pampers diapers keep babies happy, dry, and comfortable.
Responsible disposal keeps homes clean and hygienic.